Hello, hi, and welcome back to Make Mysteries. Well, I'm Pamela, and I'm back to review a few products that I bought recently from Amazon. These are Wise She products, and they are super good. Let me just show you the products that I bought first, and then the way I'll use them. So, the first product is the Wise She eyelashes. These are in the variant Geet. They are very voluminous. They are super light. You won't feel that you're wearing some falsies. Those are not actually part of your skin. They are packaged so nicely, guys. The packaging is very good. They're very lightweight. You can carry them anywhere. These are priced at rupees 800. Well, I got these products from Amazon at a discount of 10%. There was some discount going on. I was one lucky person. And the next product is their beauty blender. The packaging is amazing again. These are priced at rupees 1000, and they are so good. These sponges are packaged so nicely. Outside packaging is like a cardboard container, and yes, they have given their card, which you can stock them on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And just see that they have given a small cute box inside where you can definitely store the beauty blenders after washing, after using. And just look at the blender. It is tapered on one end, which makes it very easy for us to use, because we have the our under eye area, the nose area, everywhere. And just look at this cutie. I think this is free because I never knew that I'll be getting a small one along with the bigger one. I just ordered the bigger one, so I think it's a twin pack. And this is so soft. Even without dampening them, they are super duper soft. And yes, I'm just dampening it with some spray. Like, I'm just spraying some water. I need it damp, not dripping wet, so that it helps the makeup to set easily. It makes it easy on the application part. These are so good. Just look at the flawless finish it's giving. I'm seriously, I was never a blender person. If you have seen my videos, you'll notice that I mostly do my makeup using brushes. I'm actually very fond of using brushes, but then I don't know why I was keen on using these blenders and the products from Wise She, and I totally don't regret that I actually invested on these products. You can see that the application is so good, so even, and I must say that the sponge definitely does not absorbs a lot of product. And yes, now I'll do my eyebrows off camera, because it takes a lot of time. So let me talk to you about this beauty blender. This is so soft, and when I started patting this on my skin, I couldn't feel anything. The feeling was as if nothing was there, nothing was actually hitting my face. And it actually absorbs so less product on this sponge. You can see, because most of the sponge tend to absorb a lot of foundation, and I just took a little bit on the back of my hand, and I have this full face foundation, full coverage foundation. There is no need of reapplying the foundation rather. So I'm quite actually happy with the beauty blender. The shape is also amazing, because you can reach the inside corners of your eyes and nose and everywhere of that sort. So yeah, just like so. You can actually reach. So this is quite amazing. I'm seriously very happy, because I was little skeptical, because most of the beauty blenders promises a lot of things, but they fail absolutely. So I'm really very happy, seriously very happy from the bottom of my heart, that this beauty blender works amazingly. So it's time for the lashes. You can see that I'm already wearing one on one of my eye, and I'm just coating the lash with my original lashes with some mascara from Smashbox. And you can see that there is no difference because the camera is really very close to my eyes, and you can hardly make a difference that whereas like my original lashes and the fake ones. Well, these are so easy to carry. You won't feel that you're wearing something. Most cases people do feel that they are wearing something and it's very heavy and they can't see properly. So yes, now it's time to wear the other one in front of you guys because it's a task. Seriously speaking, wearing falsies on camera is really a big deal, but then I'm wearing it because they are so easy to wear. They're so wearable. And what should I say more about these lashes? You can see that these lashes are love. They are super soft, totally mink lashes, and they are so voluminous, so thick. Can you just see that they are so voluminous? I'm just loving it totally. And the finish is absolutely wearable. You can wear it for a glam night, for weddings, for any kind of occasion. So let me just complete the look and get back to you. So yes guys, that was it with the final look. Hope you all liked it. Well, I love totally the Wise Sheep products. I'm definitely gonna recommend you guys, people who are looking for great blenders and superb looking eyelashes, please go and get your hands on these Wise Sheep products. I highly recommend, and I am absolutely looking forward to use them in future. Till then, bye and see you guys super soon.